Former PNP Councilor Mr. Kirlew is to face the courts. For why, you may be asking? Well, the Integrity Commission again is on a roll. He failed to file his statutory declaration for the year 2019, 2020, and 2022. However, reports are that in 2023, October the 19th to be exact, he did file those outstanding statutory declarations. However, he failed to pay the fixed fee of $250,000 per declaration that he failed to make. So he did file the declarations, but now he still owes $250,000. Well, sorry, $750,000. $250,000 per failure. So he's to face the courts, and yeah, the IC is working. But again, people, just have said for the other two, accountability is necessary. It's paramount for those who are seeking, not for everyone, but especially so for those who are seeking to hold leadership positions in our country. These are just my thoughts for the years.